Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log in or get Facebook account without email and phone number. For that, first of all, open your Facebook application, or you can also go through the website and hit on the create new account and type all of your credentials like your name, birth date, your gender, and other things which are required. Once you select all of this, on the case of phone number, go through any browser and then search for temp phone number. Now open any one website and simply copy one temp number and then paste it over the Facebook and then hit on the next. From here, create a strong password and you are good to go with your new Facebook account. In this way, you can easily log in without any email or phone number. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.